So yesterday was a busy day with trades. I took 3 trades yesterday. One is still active and then 2 losses. I was risking 0.25%, so my 2 losses have only lost 0.5%, so not too fussed about that. It's just the price you pay for multiple POIs. It just is what it is on this strategy. You can get multiple POIs, which you don't know which one it's gonna go from. So you just have to take the risk at every POI. So yesterday, this was the first POI that I marked out, and we had a nice entry and we had a nice entry there. It was LC1, price didn't close inside the POI, pushed up, and then it just POI failed, stop loss hit. This is why I don't take multiple entries at POIs. I'm just taking one entry at the POI because there was no actually other entry here, but if there was, 2 losses can quickly turn into 3 or 4 or 5 if you get multiple entries. The next POI was this one here. We had an LC2 candle closed inside the POI, marked the liquidation candle, got an entry, but then price pushed down to the next one. This POI, we got an LC2 as well, and this is where we are right now. So we're just hovering in, not in profit. It just pushed up, then actually it's profit. Now it's pushing back down. But yeah, this is sometimes the price you got to pay to get into trades. We're aiming for the daily high. So this trade is a 1 to 10. So one trade can wipe out a lot of losses. So I'm happy to take the risk on it. We'll see what happens. Once price, let's just say my stop loss hits on here, I'm then going to be looking for shorts into lower premium pricing down here. So our daily boss is there. We've pulled down. We've tried to reversal on some of these, but it didn't work. We then did get a nice push out, confirming that the daily and the 30-minute time frame are aligned bullish. So that's when we've tried to get into POIs down here, but they've been failing, which is what it is. So yeah, I'm currently in an active trade, so there's not really much going on. There's no news today. Like I said, if price does fail on this POI, then I'll be looking for shorts. And the only POI, there's a couple POIs. There's one here. There's actually a few, but this is the first one. And then there's one here as well, and one up here. But okay, this is the first one if this fails. But yeah, I'm currently in an active trade, so I'm not doing anything. Once I've got one trade on, I don't enter another trade. So yeah, we'll see how it goes today, and then I'll be back on Monday with an update to see what happened. That's it for Germany 40 for today.